everyone, it's Miss Lois. Welcome back to my kitchen. We are celebrating another holiday. Do you know which one it is? You're right, it's Shavuot. And Shavuot is the time of year where we celebrate the Jewish people receiving the 10 Commandments, the 10 good rules, and the Torah. The Torah teaches us the way of life. So during Shavuot, we often eat dairy foods. Dairy foods remind us of the words of the Torah, which are like milk and honey. They also say that dairy foods are lighter. So that reminds us of the spiritual light that comes from receiving the Torah. So what we're going to do today is make a very simple and easy blintz. So blintzes and cheesecake are often the foods that are eaten during Shavuot. So if you join me at my table, we will start cooking. 2 pieces of bread. We have white bread here, but you can also use whole wheat. We need cream cheese. We need cinnamon. We need melted butter, a rolling pin, and a pan. So the first thing you're going to do is cut the crust off your bread. And always remember, friends, before you start to cook, you must wash your hands, which is what Miss Lois did before we started our video. Once you have your crust off, you take out your rolling pin and you roll it out flat. Both directions. Then we take our spreader and we spread on our cream cheese. And it's always best to have your cream cheese at room temperature because it's much easier to spread that way. Once you have the cream cheese on, then you take the cinnamon, you sprinkle the cinnamon on top. Then you take your blintz and you roll it. Then you take your melted butter and you put it on top. My butter's hardening. Okay, and you place it in your pan. Then you put it in your oven on 350 for 10 to 15 minutes. And when it's all done, you have blintzes. And these are delicious plain, or you could also eat them with jam on top, maybe strawberry jelly or grape jelly. Even sour cream sometimes people put on their blintzes. So enjoy and have fun making blintzes on Shavuot. Thanks for watching.